So today I want to show you how can I connect to Fly.io database. The database is Postgre using pgAdmin. It seems to be easy thing, but at the end it wasn't that straightforward. At least for me, because I'm more like a front-end developer than the back-end developer, and not really a DevOps. So that's the process that I was following to achieve the connection to this Postgre database hosted on Fly.io. I will show you the process, what went wrong for me, what should be like a default solution, and what did I do to really connect to the database. And I got a few issues. So for example, when I was adding this new server, everything was set correctly, also the connection, but something was not working fine, and at the end it was showing me some information that I cannot log in. So I will show you what I was trying to follow. Let's say it's GemsDB. What is important are the things here. So the host name for the GemsDB, which value was it? I was trying both of them. Like for example, the one with the flycast in the URL. Port that one, okay, and my password. Say password. Yeah, so that should be correct. It's called test. Okay, but as you can see, unable to connect to server, connections path, no name or server name provided or not, no. The other thing that was in the settings was the host name, and that was shown in the terminal during the setup of the Fly.io. But because it's internal, it didn't seem to be the correct name to connect using this pgAdmin. Anyway, as you can see, after the try, it's the same information. Yeah, and I was trying to also, because I see that there's a proxy port and Postgre port in the initial settings on Fly.io. So the only difference was that 2 had to change to 3. No. And the URL that should be the correct one. That's also not working. I was also playing with SSH settings, but it didn't seem to help anyway. And I started following the Fly.io documentation. So, as you can see, if you want to test the configs, if anything else works fine, you can just run this command in your terminal using your database. So my database that I want to connect to is called GemsDB. Yeah. And let's see if we can connect. Yeah, and as you can see, it's connected. So it seems to be working fine. So why I couldn't connect it via pgAdmin? The solution that I found is running this proxy. with your database. So on that point, you can treat file.io database as your local one. So any settings you want to use in pgAdmin are coming from the local host according to this. Okay, so as you can see, my proxy is working. Let's say it will be proxy staging. Then the connection settings. It will be localhost, default port. In my case, it's also database is default, and username is also default. Then have to copy your password and just test it by clicking save. And as you can see, it could correct. It's showing me all of the information from the database. I cannot show you that one. But yeah, now I can manage it through the pgAdmin. So that's how it works here. Thanks.